Counting array elements in Python. How can I count the number of elements in an array? Because contrary to logic, array.countString does not count all the elements in the array, it just searches for the number of occurrences of string.
The method len returns the number of elements in the list. Syntax. E.g. output. Len is a built-in function that calls the given container object's _len_member function to get the number of elements in the object. Functions encased with double underscores are usually special methods implementing one of the standard interfaces in Python. Container, number, etc. Special methods are used via syntactic sugar, object creation, container indexing and slicing, attribute access, built-in functions, etc. Using opt._len_ wouldn't be the correct way of using the special method, but I don't see why the others were modded down so much.
If you have a multi-dimensional array, len might not give you the value you are looking for. For instance, this code block will return true, telling you the size of the array is 2. However, there are in fact 10 elements in this 2D array. In the case of multi-dimensional arrays, len gives you the length of the first dimension of the array, i.e. to get the number of elements in a multi-dimensional array of arbitrary shape.
Or, if you want to be OP, len my array is a lot easier to type. Smile.
Yes,